In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a table in Excel. This is a quick and useful skill that can help organize your data and make it much easier to read, sort, and work with. If you have a simple range of information in a worksheet and you want Excel to treat it like a proper table, the process is very straightforward. Begin by highlighting the exact grid of cells that you want to convert into a table. Use your mouse to click and drag across the full range. Make sure you include all of the data you want inside the table. This means selecting the complete block of information, including the top row if that row contains your column titles. Being precise here is important because Excel will turn only the selected range into a table. Once your cells are highlighted, move to the top menu ribbon and click the Insert tab. This tab gives you access to tools for adding different types of content into your worksheet, and the table option is located there. After that, look toward the far left side and click the Table button. As soon as you do this, Excel will open a pop-up window to confirm the range of cells you selected. Take a moment to verify that the cell range shown in that window matches the area you intended to use. This is helpful because it gives you one final chance to confirm that nothing was left out and that no extra blank cells were included by accident. In that same pop-up window, check the box labeled My Table Has Headers. You will want to do this if your first row contains labels for each column because those labels will become the table headers. This helps Excel understand the structure of your data and makes the table easier to use. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Excel will instantly convert your selected range into a table. You will usually notice a new formatted style right away, which makes the data stand out more clearly. The table is now ready to use, and Excel can handle that data more efficiently. If you want the cleanest result, make sure your data is arranged neatly before you begin, especially the header row. That will help the table format look more polished and easier to manage. And that is all there is to it.